Be honest. Have you ever said, "I am agree yesterday," and then immediately regretted it? Relax. Today we're testing your English tenses. Fun, tricky, and 100% brain awakening. Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome to ESC Grammar and Structure, your channel, where you learn and improve your English grammar and structure.
1. She to the office when it started raining. A. Goes. B. Is going. C. Was going. D. Has gone. Answer. C. Was going. We use past continuous for an action in progress in the past. When it started raining interrupts the action, so was going is perfect here. Second. My keys. I can't find them anywhere. A. Lose. B. Lost. C. Have lost. D. Was losing. Answer. C. Have lost. The keys are still missing now, right? That's why we use present perfect, a past action with a present result. Third. By the time we arrived, the movie A. Starts. B. Has started. C. Had started. D. Was starting. Answer. C. Had started. Too late again. Past perfect shows an action completed before another past action. 4. Listen, someone at the door. A. Knocks. B. Knocked. C. Is knocking. D. Has knocked. Answer. C. Is knocking. Can you hear it right now? For actions happening at the moment of speaking, we use present continuous. 5. I usually coffee in the morning. A. Drink. B. Drank. C. Am drinking. D. Have drunk. Answer. A. Drink. Habits and routines always go with simple present. 6. They dinner when the power went out. A. Have. B. Had. C. Were having. D. Have had. Answer. C. Were having. No electricity, no dinner. An ongoing past action interrupted by another past event equals past continuous. 7. He in this city since 2015. A. Lives. B. Lived. C. Is living. D. Has lived. Answer D. Has lived. Since 2015 means the action started in the past and continues until now. Hello, present perfect. 8. Right now for my exam. A. Study. B. Studied. C. Am studying. D. Have studied. Answer C. Am studying. Explanation. If you're doing it right now, don't be shy. Use present continuous. 9. Last night a really scary movie. A. Watch. B. Watched. C. Have watched. D. Are watching. Answer B. Watched. A finished time in the past, like last night, always needs simple past. 10. You as soon as I arrive. A. Called. B. Was calling. C. Call. D. Will call. Simple future is the winner. So, how many did you get right? If your brain hurts a little, that means you're learning. Comment your score below. Like, share and subscribe to ESC Grammar and Structure for more fun, clear and powerful English lessons. Remember, master the tense, control the sentence.